Welcome. If you're struggling financially and want to start a business with no money, this video is for you. Whether you've been fired, lost a startup, or just need to support your family, we have a solution. Starting a business with zero money might sound impossible, but it's not. This method won't make you a millionaire overnight, but it can help you make some money without any upfront investment. Let's get started. Step 1. Create a simple business card. Include your name, title as a freelance real estate sales rep, and your contact information. Print about 100 to 200 cards. If you don't have the money, consider borrowing $100 from a friend or family member. Business cards remain a powerful marketing tool. Step 2. Walk or drive around neighborhoods, especially where older folks live. Look for sale signs. These homeowners might not be familiar with online marketing methods. Step 3. Contact these homeowners. Offer to help them sell their property and explain that you'll only take a service charge of $100 once the sale is complete. This is an attractive offer since they don't pay anything upfront. Step 4. Gather detailed notes and photos of these properties. Post them on free advertising websites like Craigslist or Facebook Marketplace. Step 5. Handle incoming calls professionally. Explain that you represent the property and can arrange tours. Be polite and clear in your communication. When potential buyers want to visit, coordinate with the property owner and show them around. Once the deal is closed, you earn your service fee. This method can help you start earning money without any initial investment. Persistence and professionalism are key. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on starting a business. Thanks for watching.